The markets were completely volatile in the past entire week, while after going to an upside, it corrected for the last 2 days. This was on account of fresh selling in the housing finance sector on their exposure to distressed realty developers. Primarily, there was a specific realty developer that was downgraded, and that caused a fresh selling in the housing finance sector. Also, there was fresh selling in the IT sector. This was primarily triggered by fresh H-1B visa noises that were made in the US that are expected in the coming months. Both these sectors created a significant downside. Overall, the market couldn't sustain the top of 10,710 levels. It corrected downwards of 10,500, went right up to 10,290 levels while closing at 10,303 levels, signaling a downside of 1.6%. The sectors that didn't do well in the market were IT, which was down by 1.4%. Auto was down by 0.6%, and media was down by 1.1%. While IT was down, the surprise sector was FMCG, which was up by 5.4%. We have a negative call on the markets in the coming week, which looks to be pretty volatile. The market formed a spinning top bearish candlestick pattern the last day of its closing, before putting up an engulfing bearish pattern on the previous day on the daily charts, while the weekly charts have also formed a bearish candlestick pattern. The RSI has been hovering around 36 levels, while MACD has been below the signal line. All of this points to a very volatile week going forward. There could be some support that may come out of short covering ahead of expiry. However, our view for the markets is negative over the ranges between, on the upside is 10,770 levels, coinciding with the 200-day moving average, while the downside is predicted at 10,260 odd levels. So remain cautious on the market, looking at only specific stocks on account of their earnings. That would be our advice. With respect to stocks for the coming week, we have a buy call on ITC with a target price of 306 levels and a support level of 275, signaling an upside of 6%. We have a buy call on NIT Tech with a target price of 1288 levels and a stop loss of 1220, upside of 4%. While we have a sell call on Avenue Supermart with a target price of 1201 levels with a stop loss at 1268 levels, providing a gain of 3%.